Okay, so the topic is map labeling in Ielts listening. So in Ielts listening, you have to label a map, and you are given a map like this, and you at the end of this map, you have to answer some questions in the form of the words like this, right? And there are 5 to 6 questions at the end of a map, and you have to label that, fill the blanks after these questions, uh, after listening to the audio and from this map. So first of all, uh, you have to we will solve it step by step. So first step which you have to take in IELTS listening map labeling is that step number one is read instructions. In instructions, uh, in the question paper you are given instructions are what? Instructions are like that, write one of these ABC letters from A to H before in front of these words, right? And you have to tell that, if for example question number one is cafe, you have to tell that where from these letters, where is the cafe located, right, after listening it from the audio. So now, first step is always read the instructions. The instructions are often like that. Write the letters A to H before these questions. So step number two, understanding. Now, understanding is what? Understanding the map. You must have to understand the map, right? First of all, that's a map of a park, right? You must understand that there is a north gate, and after the north gate, there is a adventure ground, and then after adventure ground, there is also a building. After and before adventure ground, then there is a curve, and before curve, there is also a building. Then after this curve, below this curve, there is also a building, and below the building there is a glass house. Then there is a below the glass house there is also a building between the woods. Then there is South Gate before, right, next to South Gate there is also a building under the woods, and then we have a lake. Then after lake we have a footpath, and after footpath we have another building. So you must have to understand the map. What is map about and what it is talking about. So step number two was understanding. Now the step number three is prediction. Prediction means पेशीन गोई करना, आपको पता चलाना कि क्या हो सकता है आंसर, कैफे किस जगह पे हो सकता है। एक आप अंदाजा लगाएं ना, एक पार्क है, अब ये मैप किस चीज का है, पार्क है, अंदाजा लगाएं कि एक पार्क में मैप किस जगह पे हो सकता है, वेयर कैन बी द मैप इन अ पार्क, राइट? सो for example, a moment we have seen that in parks the cafe is either at the start or in the middle. ठीक है, स्टार्ट इसका क्या हो सकता है, या तो साउथ गेट पे होगा या नॉर्थ गेट पे, या बिटवीन नियर द मे बी नियर द ओल्ड। ये आपकी प्रोडिक्शन है, गलत भी हो सकती है, बट डू प्रोडिक्ट। प्रोडिक्शंस ऑलवेज हेल्प्स यू, ऑलवेज लीड्स यू नियर टू द क्वेश्चन। हाँ जी, दैट कैन आल्सो बी राइट। सो okay, so now then there is toilets, gardens, outdoor gym. Outdoor gym. It is obvious that gym is might be near the playground, right? So there is a possibility, and there is a possibility of wildflowers. Wildflowers are the flowers which are not taken care of, right? So wildflowers can be. This is basically the boundary of the park, and wild flowers जंगली फूल जिनको कहते हैं, they can be possibly outside the boundary wall, below glass house or above the glass house, right, or in the woods right next to south gate. So that is prediction. Step 3 is prediction. Step 4, directions. Step 4, directions. Directions means that uh, follow that, uh, in which direction he goes. Uh, he describes the map in the audio, like in the he may say, if he starts from here, he might say that right next to, at the right left of the south gate there is a ramp. Then at the right side of the south gate there is a lake. Then next to lake there is a lamp. Next to, right, left, these are the directions. So understand the direction in which the speaker is going on, right? So step number 5 is starting point. Whenever the audio starts, do listen it carefully. Why? Because in you must have to capture the starting point. You have to detect where the writer is going to start, right? So start point. If he starts from here, the possibility is that he will start describing the places from here, right? Like this. And then if he starts from here, the possibility is that either he will start from here or from here. Like he will tell about this building at first or at this building at first, right? But if he starts from here, he might describe this first or this side at the start of the audio. So you must have to detect from where he is starting his describing the map. Understand? So step number 6, visualizing. As he's speaking, do visualize in your mind that if you, or even before the audio plays, do visualize that if you have to describe a park, the map of a park, how you would describe it, right? So do visualize it in mind. Step 7, tricks. That is very important step, that do follow the tricks. As in all the 4 parts of listening, he do uses he uses tricks. For example, he may say that the cafe, initially the cafe was at right at the left of the south gate, but it has been shifted above the glass house. पहले कैफे यहाँ पे था, पर अब ये ग्लास हाउस के ऊपर इसको शिफ्ट कर दिया गया है। अब आंसर क्या होगा हमारा? एफ, राइट? हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? एफ। तो ये ट्रिक्स जो है इनको लाजमी फॉलो करें, ठीक है? पहले एक को मेंशन करेगा ये यहाँ पे थी बट इसको इधर कर दिया गया। किसी ना किसी तरीके से इन बाकी ऑप्शन जगहों को मेंशन करेगा जिनके नजदीक दूसरे ऑप्शंस भी हैं, लेकिन ऑलवेज फॉलो द फाइनल आंसर इन द ऑडियो। ओके, सो ओके।